Thousands of companies rely on the industry-leading capabilities in SolidWorks to create accurate 2D drawings to convey product manufacturing information such as dimensions, tolerances, notes, and surface finishes. However, these 2D drawings can be expensive and time-consuming to create and maintain and are prone to interpretation errors. SolidWorks MBD provides an integrated, drawingless manufacturing solution which helps you define, organize, and publish 3D product manufacturing information, or PMI, and 3D model data into industry-standard file formats. 3D views provide an easy way to detail individual manufacturing operations, helping you capture the correct orientation and clearly organize and display all critical PMI data in an easy-to-digest manner. Presenting your PMI data in this way makes it easy to understand and removes ambiguity. From detailing the relevant datums for this design, A, B, and C, to detailing features like holes with accurate geometric tolerancing, 3D views are a convenient way to communicate your design intent. You can also capture multiple configurations and display states, so this view shows the information for a new, lighter variant and includes information from other annotation planes to give a better picture of the design. Notice also that when you select a dimension, the corresponding geometry also highlights, making it easy to see which dimension relates to which feature, reducing interpretation errors, a clear benefit over 2D drawings. If you wish, you can show all the annotations at once and use the Dynamic Annotations feature to automatically fade annotations as they move in and out of the view plane. Capturing information is easy. You simply reorient the model to the view you require, add a section if the features you need to detail are hidden, like these two rear holes, and then capture the new 3D view. As well as leveraging display states and configurations, you can also reuse other annotation views, such as datums A, B, and C. You can also include annotations from other views, simply by selecting the dimension and then switching it over to the correct plane. SolidWorks MBD works with both native SolidWorks parts and assemblies and imported geometry. With native SolidWorks data, features such as holes and patterns are automatically recognized, making the whole process faster and easier. Adding a positional tolerance completes the information required for this view. Notice that the basic dimensions are automatically created for this new positional tolerance. You can quickly tidy these up and the view is now complete and everything looks great. The next step is to output the information for viewing by third parties in industry-standard formats, such as 3D PDF and e-drawings. SolidWorks MBD comes complete with a library of templates that you can easily customize, or you can create your own for assemblies as well as parts. This example shows a main graphics window, along with 3D view tabs along the bottom. The text boxes along the top are automatically populated with custom properties directly from SolidWorks, or they can prompt you to enter information, such as a description when the file is published. You can also easily include standard notes or other company-specific details in any format you choose. When you publish a 3D PDF, you simply choose a template and select which standard views or 3D views to output. You can view or modify which custom properties will be passed directly into the PDF, and enter a description as prompted. When you view the 3D PDF, you can see the custom properties and description along with the 3D view thumbnails at the bottom. All of the 3D views created in SolidWorks are available, including the section view just created. You can see how easy it is to navigate the design and extract the information you need. Selected dimensions also highlight the referenced geometry, making it easy to see which dimensions belong to which faces, removing any ambiguity. Creating 3D PDFs is both fast and flexible, and reduces the common errors associated with interpreting 2D drawings. E-drawings is also a very popular format for viewing 3D models. This example contains two configurations, so both will be saved. E-drawings also allows you to view and manipulate all of the 3D views, including the new section view. Again, selecting the dimensions highlight the geometry references, making it very easy to understand the model without the need for a 2D drawing. SolidWorks MBD provides easy-to-use tools for the creation, organization, and output of product manufacturing information and helps streamline production, cut cycle times, and improve product quality.